Hello students, how are you all doing today? Well, I can assure you that today you will love this topic because it's a very interesting topic in the English grammar. Yes, we are going to learn about prepositions. Now try to have a close look at the word prepositions. If we try to bifurcate, which means to split or divide the word into two parts, we would have pre and positions. Pre means before and positions means places. So it would be also right to call them place words. And why is that? Because they tell us the places of an object in a sentence. So we can also call prepositions as place words. Now let's have a look at this image. There are so many things in this room. Now let's try to find out where each and every object is placed. Let's see if prepositions can help us in doing that. My first question to you is, try to find the clock. Tell me, where is the clock? The clock is on the wall. Now which word in this sentence tells us that where is the clock in relation to the wall? The word is on. So here on becomes the preposition. On is used to show the position of an object on a surface. Where is the lamp? The lamp is between some flowers and a book. In this sentence, the preposition is between. It tells us that it is situated in the middle of two objects. So whenever we have to refer if an object is placed in the center or in the middle of two given objects, the ideal preposition to be used is between. My third question to you is, where is the cat in the picture? The cat sits next to the sofa. Here in this sentence, next to is a preposition which guides us the position of the cat in relation to the sofa. And we also use next to when there is no or almost little gap. Be sure not to use this word preposition when you are trying to show that an object is placed with some gap at the given object. When something is just placed very near and there is no gap at all, the best and the ideal preposition to use is next to. My next question to you is, where is the ball? The ball is under the table. We use the preposition under to tell an object which is covered with a surface. For example, the book is under the bed, the pen is under the pillow. So in both these sentences, the pen and the book tells us that they are hidden under a surface. So whenever there is a given surface, it is ideal to use the preposition under. Now if I ask you that where is the mouse, what can you say? The mouse is over the box. Here the preposition over tells us that the mouse is on it, but at the same time it is not touching the surface of the box. So it would be ideal to use the preposition over. Tell me, where is the mouse in this picture? The mouse is in the box. We use the preposition in to show where an object is kept at rest and stationary and it is not moving. The mouse is inside the box already. There is no inward or outward movement shown. Tell me, where is the mouse in this picture? Now we can say that the mouse is on the box. Why? Because we see that the mouse can touch the surface of the object. Whenever any object touches the surface of the object, it would be ideal to use the preposition on. Where do you walk? I walk on the road. Where do you write? On the page. What's on the menu? Write it on the wall, on the blackboard. These are all examples of prepositions with on. Tell me, where is the mouse in this picture? The mouse is in front of the box. The preposition in front of is used to show where an object is ahead or in forward given to that object. For example, right now I am not standing in front of the podium. I am standing behind the podium. Where is the mouse in this picture? Well, we can say that the mouse is behind the box. Why did we use the preposition behind here? Because it is ideal to use the preposition behind when an object is located at the back of an object. Children, now we'll do prepositions of time. There are mainly three types of preposition of time. at, on and in. The first one is at. We use the preposition at to show exact point of time. For example, at 9 o'clock, at 8:30, at noon, at 3 o'clock, at 4 p.m. So, we are using a specific point of time. So, in that case, it would be ideal to use the preposition at. We use the preposition in for months, years and seasons. There are 12 months in a year. Whenever you are referring to any month, put the preposition in. For seasons, be it summer, winter, autumn or spring, use the preposition in. And for years and decades, in 1970, in 1980, in 2017, even for decades. Decades is a time period of 10 years. The preposition on is used before days, dates and months. For every date, you must use the preposition on. I was born on 10th January. So before 10th, we use the preposition on. Similarly, for days and months, each and every day of the week, whichever day you want to refer to, use the preposition on before it. Well, with this we come to the end of our module. I hope you must have enjoyed the lesson. Now let's revise what we have learnt. Pre means before and positions mean places. Thus, prepositions tell us the positions of the objects. A preposition is used before a noun to show the noun's relationship to another word in the sentence. They are also known as place words as they tell us the position of an object in a sentence. They help us to find the positions of the objects in front of, behind, next to, between, in, on, under, over are all examples of prepositions of place. At, on, in are the prepositions of time. Let's try and solve the following multiple choice questions. Question number 1. What do you see in the picture? Option A. Dog is on the table and the mouse is under the table. Option B. Dog is under the table and the mouse is on the table. Option C. Dog is over the table and the mouse is below the table. Question number 2. Spot the incorrect preposition. Option A. Man is next to the table. Option B. Man is between the chair and the table. Option C. Man is in front of the table. Option D. Man is over the table. Question number 3. The above picture shows prepositions of option A. Place, option B. Time, option C. Both A and B, option D. None of these.